Hey my YouTube fam, let's make healthy Mexican barbecue chicken tacos. These are so easy to make and just bursting with Mexican flavors in every bite. They have 20 grams of protein, 10 grams of fat and just 240 calories per serving. So without delay, let's get the recipe started. The first ingredient is
heat olive oil, add chopped chicken breast to it, salt, taco seasoning, garlic powder, smoked paprika, dried thyme, yellow mustard, ketchup, and finally some honey. Now I'll make a crema. For that, first goes avocado flesh, cilantro, yogurt, few cloves of garlic, and some salt. Add this avocado crema. Next goes the cooked chicken. Add the cheddar cheese. This is low-fat cheddar cheese. Now drizzle BBQ sauce over this. Chop cilantro. Chop avocados. So your healthy barbecue chicken tacos is ready.
I love this Mexican chicken taco because it uses fresh and homemade barbecue sauce which controls the sugar level in it. Also, it uses a fresh homemade avocado crema and whole wheat tortillas which are just so healthy and loads up your protein intake like nothing else.
Hope you like the recipe for this healthy crispy barbecue chicken tacos. Do give it a try, and if you have any questions, post it in the comment box below. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more healthy updates like this. Have a great day.